Sellers looking to streamline logistics, cut shipping costs, ensure timely delivery all without a warehouse? You are at the right place. Join Fulfillment by Amazon Global Selling. With FBA, you not only get to store your products in one of Amazon's fulfillment centers but a range of other benefits like $200 credits in fulfillment fees when you use Amazon Global Selling Send, $400 credit for inbound placement costs, free storage and customer returns with auto-enrollment in the FBA New Selection program. We pick, pack, and ship your products globally. It's that simple. Ready? All it takes is a few simple steps. How? Set up your account with Amazon Global Selling. Sign up for Fulfillment by Amazon and list your products. Ship your products to our centers. Relax and smile wide while we ship your products to customers worldwide. The best part of FBA? Inventory managed. Amazon stores and ships your products. Prime badge. Free 1-day, 2-day delivery. Complete logistics. Amazon handles all shipping and returns. Sellers see a 20 to 25% sales boost with FBA. So, are you ready to pin your brand on the world map? Get started with FBA.